This is our entry-level Starline S9 and 2024 Transit Custom. Works off the factory key, so we lock the vehicle, system becomes active, we get one flash, one chirp, and the blue LED begins to flash. If someone lifts or moves this vehicle, forces one of the doors open, the system's going to activate, the alarm's going to go off, and we're also going to get a phone call. Silence it with the key. If someone hopped in, went to steal the vehicle, they started it up, you're going to need a unique code. As you see, there's lights on, which means immobilised. If we try and drive it off, the vehicle just cuts out, switches off. We get no errors on the dash, but the vehicle's immobilised. If they try again, we try reverse this time, it switches off. So what we've got to do is start it up, go through a code. 1, 2, 3 we have for now. Wait for this blue light to go out, and we can drive away. This immobiliser activates as soon as we turn the vehicle off. So next time we get in it, we're going to start it up, you'll see the light comes back on, and it's not going to drive away without that code. This is the entry-level Starline S9. You can also see this on an app, see if any of the doors are open, whether the vehicle's armed, disarmed, immobilised. You can see all that in the app from anywhere in the world. Once again, if someone forced one of the doors open, hit the vehicle, towed it away, it's going to go off, and your phone's going to ring. This is the entry-level Starline S9 on a 2024 Transit Custom.